Hi guys and welcome to today's class. So today is January 27th, 2021 and I'm your teacher Lenin. So let's begin. First we're going to start with a little game. You already know this game is the shadow game and it's very easy for you. Okay, so who is it? He's a lion, he becomes the king and he has two very funny friends. Can you guess it? You have 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the character is Simba. The next one. Who is it? He is evil, he wants to rule the galaxy, and his suit is black. You have 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your character is Darth Vader. The next one. Who is it? He's funny, he lives in the sea, and he gets lost. Okay, you have 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is Nemo. Very good. So now we're going to practice what we learned class before. First we're going to do an emotion activity. It's very easy. We have our emotions there, feelings and emotions. We have happy and a color. We have surprise and a color, sad, angry, sleepy, hungry, bored, tired, ill, and scared. So this is very easy. As you see in the presentation, there are a lot of faces. What you are going to do is recognize all of them and color it as the emotion that it gives. Lo van a colorear según la emoción que nos da. For example, this one. This one, I think it's a happy face. So we're going to paint it purple. I don't have purple, but you are going to do it. So the first face is purple. Okay? And so on. Then you're going to look all the surprised faces and paint it brown. All the sad faces yellow, angry, all the faces red, and so on. Van a pintar cada carita según la emoción y el color que se les está dando. Okay? Then we're going to do a volcano activity. Okay? As you see here, there are a lot of volcanoes. In your paper, you have the map of the country of Mexico. So what you're going to do is in each place of this, como ven aquí, you're going to draw a volcano. You can put it with spitting lava and put the name. Tres Vírgenes, Barcena, Everman o Socorro, San Benedicto, Ceborrueco, Colima, and so on. So you're going to draw all these little. Van a dibujar todos estos volcanes y van a ponerles el nombre. Okay? And that will be all for today. So thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow with another class. Have a nice day and don't forget to take pictures of your work and send them to me. No olviden tomarle fotos a su trabajo y me las manden, así puedo ver que ustedes trabajaron. ¿Sale? Okay, thank you very much and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.